Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in Windows 10 using OneNote. This is an incredibly handy feature that allows you to capture anything on your screen and drop it straight into your notes without switching between multiple apps or saving files to your desktop. Let's walk through this simple process. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app on your Windows 10 device. You can find this by searching for OneNote in your Start menu or clicking on the app if you've pinned it to your taskbar. Once the app opens, go ahead and load into your notebook. This could be any notebook you're currently working with, whether it's for work, school, or personal projects. Make sure you're on the page where you want your screenshot to appear, as this will save you time later. Now that your notebook is loaded and ready, we can move on to the screenshot process itself. The beauty of this method is how straightforward and quick it is. To take a screenshot, you'll need to use a keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Windows key on your keyboard, then while still holding it, press Shift. With both of those keys held down, press the S button. This combination activates the Windows snipping tool, which is built right into your operating system. When you press Windows plus Shift plus S, you'll notice that your screen dims slightly and your cursor changes to a crosshair. This indicates that the snipping tool is now active and waiting for you to select the area you want to capture. Simply click and drag your cursor to highlight the part of your screen you wish to take a screenshot of. You can capture a small section, a specific window, or even your entire screen depending on what you need for your notes. Once you've highlighted the desired area and released your mouse button, the screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. This means it's ready to be pasted anywhere you like. Now head back to your OneNote page where you had your notebook open. Position your cursor where you want the screenshot to appear on the page. Then simply press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard or right-click and select Paste. Your screenshot will instantly appear directly on your OneNote page, perfectly integrated with your other notes and content. And there you have it. You've successfully taken a screenshot in Windows 10 and pasted it directly into OneNote without any extra steps or complicated software. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.